I'm here right now in the Harvest Buffet in Sydney, and it's in a casino. This is the buffet. It is in the famous casino here in Sydney and all over Australia, which is called Star. So, yeah, we have some food. Let's do this. I'm so hungry. Pretty sure we can find something. There are different types of chocolate fountain. Dark chocolate, the white chocolate, and the milk chocolate. And then, baby, can you do a close-up? Stop. No. Baby, they have pork adobo.
Don't finish your side.
$100 because we have seafood, more of seafood.
Good sleeping here anyway.
Fried rice is so yummy, baby. Oh, your ribs is so good. What sauce did you get for your ribs?
Is it sauce?
Red wine?
Yeah. Thank you. Good sauce. Try this one.
I don't like mold because it's mostly custard.
You don't
And
like
you just put some syrup on top. It tastes like paracetamol, strawberry flavor. Taste different. Taste different. Let's see. You want some ice cream? I have some. What do you call these?
Jelly beans.
Jelly beans. And then they have. See that vanilla and chocolate ice cream?
Oh, chocolate ice cream.
Yeah.
Hi.
Oh look, these are both.
Mixed up.
I don't know how to do it though. Oh, did. Oh, look. Yeah. And you can also have only vanilla and then only chocolate. So if you want to have just the chocolate, ooh.